Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to do a quick tutorial video on how to make it so that you can't understand the swearing in Battlefield 3. So this will basically make it so that you don't have somebody cussing in your ear, whenever you're just trying to play the game and have fun. So basically what you're going to want to do first is fire up Origin, and that's if, you don't already have Battlefield 3 downloaded. But you're going to want to fire up Origin, then have it download Battlefield 3, but download Battlefield 3 in a language that you're not fluent in. If you're fluent in, English and, Spanish, then download it in Japanese. Or if you're fluent in Russian and Japanese, download it in, English or something like that. Something that you will not be able to understand. Once that has finished downloading, though, if you still want to be able to understand just the text information, like when you're trying to customize your kit or be able to deploy or something like that, go down into your search bar. This is a Windows 10 guide. I will try to figure out how to do it on older systems, but just type in regedit for Windows 10 down in the search bar. Click Run Command. It'll ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes, and then navigate through HKey Local Machine, Software, WoW 6432 node, and then Battlefield 3. There are a couple of different things here. There's default, display name, those kind of things. But the two things we're going to be focusing on are locale and GDF binary. So first, right-click on locale and click modify. If you are using Russian, this will probably do lowercase ru underscore then capitalized ru. And basically this is just telling Battlefield 3, this is the text language or audio language that this person wants to use. But if you want to have it so that you can understand the text in the game, you're going to have to modify these two. It's not very hard. We'll keep walking through it. Then right-click on GDF binary. This will do C. That's where I have it, Program Files 86, Origin Games, Battlefield 3. Then it'll do GDF binary. For me, I already put it as en underscore us, but if you just downloaded it in like Russian, it'll do ru underscore ru. Now just change anything in here if you want to understand it in English to en underscore us. Now, when you go in there, if you've downloaded it in let's say Japanese, you're going to have to go in through the options menu and change the voiceover language to Japanese, because it will not automatically do that. You have to manually do that, and that's where being able to see the text will come in handy, so that you're not having the issue of, I cannot understand any of this, where's the voiceover setting. So basically this will allow you to play the game and not have people swearing. Also, this is just a little bit of a tip. If you're tired of trash talk or just people swearing in your ear, or just swearing in chat, just press H until it goes to hidden, and then you're not going to have to deal with any of that stuff either. So basically this is just a quick tutorial video on how to clean it up a bit, and then I'll try to come out with some other things as they come along. So thanks for watching, guys, and Lord willing I will catch you in the next one.